12 shocking futuristic vehicles you must see in 2024. Prepare to have your mind blown as we dive into 12 of the most shocking futuristic vehicles you must see in 2024. These incredible machines are pushing the boundaries of innovation, offering thrilling experiences and sustainable solutions that will leave you in awe. So buckle up and let's explore these groundbreaking creations. DeLorean Omega 2040. Welcome to the future, where the iconic DeLorean is reimagined for 2040. The DeLorean Omega 2040 is not just a car, it's a revolution in automotive design. Say goodbye to traditional windows and hello to an unobstructed futuristic view. This beast of a vehicle features a unique hexagonal rear window and a swooping body design that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. But it's not just about looks. The Omega 2040 is built for speed and style, boasting cutting-edge green headlights that slice through the darkness. This is a car that screams innovation, leaving its 80s predecessor in the dust. Armor Truck SUV. Next up is the Armor Truck SUV, a vehicle built to survive anything the future throws at it. Whether you're navigating post-apocalyptic landscapes or exploring new planets, this SUV is your ultimate protector. It's not just bulletproof, it's equipped with armor made of steel, titanium, Kevlar, and carbon fiber, with state-of-the-art features like KN and thermal vision, weapons, and an oxygen regeneration system. This vehicle is ready for anything. The Armor Truck isn't just transportation, it's a fortress on wheels, designed for the most extreme adventures. Lamborghini Fantasma. Imagine a car that combines the speed and style of a Lamborghini with the sustainability of the future. The Lamborghini Fantasma is that car. This limited edition masterpiece is more than just a car, it's an experience. With a top speed of 320 km/h and advanced all-wheel drive, the Fantasma is built for those who demand the best. Its hybrid powertrain not only delivers incredible performance, but also ensures that you're driving one of the most sustainable supercars on the planet. Exclusive, powerful, and innovative, the Fantasma is the future of luxury driving. Mercedes-Benz Vision Urbanetic. Meet the Mercedes-Benz Vision Urbanetic, a revolutionary vehicle that's changing the way we think about transportation. This battery electric autonomous van is as versatile as it gets. Whether it's carrying passengers, delivering goods, or providing services, the Vision Urbanetic does it all. And thanks to its modular design, it can switch bodies in no time, making it the ultimate solution for city transportation. With its ability to run autonomously 24/7, with only brief stops for charging, this van is not just a vehicle, it's the future of urban mobility. Toyota LQ. Toyota is pushing the boundaries of what a car can be with the LQ concept. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a personal assistant on wheels. The LQ's intelligent assistant Yui learns your habits and preferences, tailoring every drive to perfection. From adjusting the air conditioning to your favorite temperature to playing your favorite tunes, Yui makes every journey a pleasure. With a range of 300 kilometers and advanced autonomous capabilities, the LQ is more than just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of personalized transportation. Xpeng Aeroite. Next, we have the Xpeng Aeroite, a vehicle that's not just futuristic, it's straight out of a science fiction dream. The Xpeng Aeroite transforms from a sleek road car into a flying machine with wings that fold and deploy for seamless transitions between driving and flying. As the leading flying car manufacturer in Asia, Xpeng is paving the way for a 3D mobility future. Imagine cruising down the highway, then soaring above traffic with the push of a button. The Xpeng Aeroite is the ultimate symbol of innovation, blending the best of both worlds, driving and flying. AC Future Eth. Next on our list is the AC Future Eth, an electric RV that's a game changer in sustainable luxury travel. This eco-friendly motorhome runs entirely on electricity, reducing your carbon footprint while offering top-notch comfort. With Starlink connectivity, you'll stay connected to the internet no matter where your adventures take you, even in the most remote areas. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area totaling 400 square feet, which can be converted into different spaces depending on your needs. Although the exact price hasn't been announced, it's expected to be between $250,000 and $300,000, making it comparable to other luxury RVs on the market. The AC Future Eth perfectly blends luxury with sustainability, allowing you to travel in style without compromising on eco-consciousness. Angler Super Quad. On number 8, we have the Angler Super Quad, a concept vehicle that's nothing short of a speed demon on wheels. This futuristic machine combines the power of a supercar with the adaptability of a quad bike, delivering an unparalleled driving experience. With a maximum speed of 200 mph, the Angler Super Quad is built for adrenaline junkies who crave the thrill of high-speed adventures. Constructed from lightweight carbon fiber, it boasts not only durability, but also exceptional agility, making it perfect for those looking for recreational thrills or heart-pounding excitement. Monotrack Bike. The Monotrack Bike is a unique single-wheel vehicle that offers an exhilarating and challenging riding experience. Its large, wide tire provides impressive stability and traction, while the sleek design gives it a futuristic look that's sure to turn heads. Riding this bike isn't for the faint-hearted, as it requires a good deal of skill and balance. However, for those up for the challenge, the Monotrack Bike promises an unforgettable journey. Candle C8. For those who appreciate luxury on the water, the Candle C8 is a revolutionary electric boat that runs on zero-emission energy. Starting at $318,000, this high-end boat is designed for the eco-conscious boater who doesn't want to sacrifice style or comfort. The Candle C8 comfortably accommodates up to 8 people, featuring a spacious interior complete with a sofa, bathroom, and freshwater shower. Its retractable C-foil system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're cruising at 27 knots or enjoying a serene moment at anchor, the Candle C8 is not just a boat, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable luxury on the water. Inmotion V11 electric unicycle. The Inmotion V11 electric unicycle is a cutting-edge personal transportation device that offers an exhilarating ride unlike any other. With a powerful 2200W motor, this unicycle can reach speeds of up to 31 km/h, while its 15900W battery provides a range of up to 57 miles on a single charge. The V11's height-adjustable air spring suspension system ensures a smooth ride, and its large 18.3-inch wheel adds stability. It also features powerful headlights and taillights for safety, as well as a USB connector for connecting to the Inmotion app. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a leisurely ride, the Inmotion V11 electric unicycle is the perfect blend of innovation and excitement. Stout Scarab. Last but not least, we have the Stout Scarab, widely regarded as the world's first production minivan. This revolutionary vehicle, produced in the 1930s, redefined automotive design with its spacious interior and flexible seating arrangements. The Stout Scarab set the stage for modern multi-purpose vehicles, influencing countless designs that followed. Scarab's forward-thinking design and functionality make it a timeless icon of innovation. And there you have it, 12 shocking futuristic vehicles you must see in 2024. These incredible machines showcase the limitless possibilities of innovation, blending sustainability, performance, and jaw-dropping design. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.